It has been said for a long, long time that our body is made up of energy levels and frequencies of all types. I had a genius friend that talked about this, showed this, demonstrated this, and it was amazing some of the things he could do with frequencies. I could probably spend an hour on it. But needless to say, this area of frequency research needs to be increased and expanded, because what is happening is if they get into the right frequencies, and they just show part of it here, there's ways to get rid of major diseases, from inflation to viruses to bacteria to cancers to many other things. And without any side effects, any drugs, any toxic side effects, without any structural side effects. But there's a warning side to this. The energies and frequencies that we're putting into our atmosphere can destroy living tissue, make it unhealthy, can make it cancers. So we need to work on both ends of this, the cure and the prevention. And it comes to understanding frequencies and what they do with the human body.
And we start with 100 hertz, and we look through the microscope to see if anything's happening. We watch for 5 minutes.
And to make a long story, they go through a lot of these different frequencies. And they find one that works, but it takes two different sets of frequencies, a high and low frequency.
Organisms like a crystal glass. These are the first videos taken. We showed these videos to our friends in the biology department. They said they hadn't seen anything quite like it. Seems to be a new phenomenon. These organisms are being shattered by our electronic signals. We now know that cancer is vulnerable between the frequencies of 100,000 hertz and 300,000 hertz. So now we attack leukemia cells. Leukemia cell number 1 tries to grow a copy of itself, but the new cell is shattered into dozens of fragments and scattered across the slide. Leukemia cell number 2 then hyperinflates and also dies. Leukemia cell number 3 then tries to make another cancer cell. The new cell is shattered and the original cell dies.
By Nikola Tesla, and he knew a lot of secrets about frequencies and vibrations. Was a genius in this area. He even could create earthquakes, according to some studies, with frequencies and vibrations. If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequencies, and vibration. Nikola Tesla. I'll end it here. There's a lot more research that needs to be done here, a lot more prevention that needs to be done here electromagnetically, and there's a lot more health that needs to be done here. We need to be working on both areas, prevention and cure, in this area. Hopefully, they will let this come out and be fully a blessing to us in many healthy ways. Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. Good day.